Welcome back to our channel, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so that we can bring you the latest news as they come up. And together, we shall support our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network to make our Biafran dream a reality. Buhari impostor was shocked as IPOB reveals the evil behind the Nigerian Fulani government contract with TOMPOLO, the Niger Delta militant leader. It's dehuman, deceptive, and a trap to stop Biafra restoration. That was what the Fulani Janjaweed did. And that is why NNPC, Fulani-controlled NNPC, is defending the contract. According to reports, a pro-Biafran group, BNL, Biafran Nation League, was approached by the Niger Delta Biafran warlord and former militant leader, TOMPOLO, expressing his interest in recruiting the group members for the useless pipeline security job given to him by Buhari impostor to destroy Biafra agitation for freedom. IPOB said that neither IPOB nor Eastern Security Network has any business with the useless Niger Delta oil pipeline security contract, nor is interested in being part of the pipeline security guards. The Fulani Nigerian government, Niger Delta pipeline security contract to TOMPOLO is deceptive and dehumaning. Our Fulani oppressors dangle the deceptive contract before our people to stop Biafra agitation for freedom. It is dehuman for the Fulani jihadist oppressive government to see Biafrans as mere security guards for crude oil pipeline. Mere security guard. Mere security guard for crude oil pipeline that even belongs to we Biafrans. And the Fulani Nigerian government steals our God-given natural resources to develop the parasitic Fulani terrorist ravaged north, while our Biafran land and water bodies are constantly left polluted, and now they want us to be their bodyguard, their slave, to enslave us. Imagine a thief coming to your house and telling you to be his bodyguard, and he's stealing your food and your money and everything. What a nonsense. And some people are happy. They are working for the Fulani Janjaweed. The Fulani will just use them and dump them. Mere security guard for our oil pipelines in Biafra land. That is what they are doing. And they use the money to develop their land and leave our own land polluted. We cannot go to farm. We cannot fish. You know, it is a Fulani Nigerian government trap in the form of pipeline security guard to deceive us and stop our Biafran restoration struggle. IPOB is a freedom-fighting movement and has no business working as security guard to our oppressive Fulani Janjaweed Nigerian government so that they can continue to suck our natural resources dry to the detriment of our children and generations yet unborn. We will not allow that. Biafrans would never allow that to happen. The Fulani Janjaweed are only wasting their time. You know, the criminal lawless Fulani controlled DSS brought the 20-year-old Biafran lady Idara Gold to court after 11 months of illegal detention for wearing Biafran-themed outfit to celebrate her 20th birthday. The 20-year-old Idara Gold from IPOB State was unlawfully arrested and incarcerated in Enugu DSS office, then later moved to Abuja DSS office by the Fulani-controlled terrorist DSS on November 8, 2021. You know, the Fulani police accosted her on the 21st of May, no, on November 8, 2021 in Enugu, and they browsed through her phone. Why should they even do that? They browsed through her phone. They cannot even do that to a Fulani lady, but they did that to a Biafran lady. They browsed through her phone, where they saw a picture she posted online wearing Biafra attire to celebrate her 20th birthday celebration. You know, and Idara Gold, a 20-year-old Biafran activist from Akwa Ibom, was unlawfully arrested and detained in Enugu, first by the DSS. Her crime was wearing a Biafran team outfit because Biafran colors does not violate the Nigerian Constitution. It does not violate it. After she was arrested by the criminal Fulani-controlled Nigerian police, she was handed over to the criminal DSS in Enugu, from where she was transferred to the DSS headquarters in Abuja and thrown into a solitary confinement. Since November 8, 2021 to this day, the criminal DSS has denied her access to her lawyer, family, and friends, and have not charged her with any offense. A human rights activist, Osimond Ugu, said so, who is following her case. Whereas the same criminal DSS are releasing Boko Haram mass murderers without charging them to court, releasing them and giving them money to settle down. According to the human rights activist Osimond Ugu, he stated that when Idara Gold's family approached an Abuja High Court seeking enforcement of her fundamental right, the criminal DSS filed an affidavit claiming that they had concluded their investigation into the matter in January 2022. In the affidavit, the criminal DSS told the court that it had transferred Idara Gold to a military barracks in Kanji, Niger State, in February 2022, and her case file has been transferred to the Federal Ministry of Justice. But they are releasing Fulani terrorists. The other day, they released over 100 Fulani terrorists from Kirikiri prison. They allowed the Fulani terrorists to release all the Boko Haram terrorists, over 800 of them, at Kuje prison. Since Buhari impostor came into power, he has released over 5,000 Boko Haram terrorists that were arrested by Goodluck Jonathan's government. Released all of them. And not just releasing them, gave them huge amount of money to settle down. mass murderers. And they are holding Idara Gold, who committed no offense against the Nigerian government, not even against the Fulani Janjaweed. You know, for fear of being disgraced and lose their home base, the Lagos State, Tinubu sent his Agbero urchins to attack Igbo traders at Alaba Market, Ojo, Lagos State, Nigeria. One of the captured urchins cried out that it was their urchin-in-chief, MC Oluomo, that sent them to attack the Igbo traders at Alaba so as to ignite a war between Yorubas and Igbos that will eventually turn the heart of those Yoruba Christians and other Yoruba Muslims who are supporting P2B to be Nigerian president. Turn their mind. That's what they did. You know, that is what they did. They want the Yorubas that are supporting P2B to turn against P2B and support the kick and start drug lord Tinubu. The crooked Fulani Janjaweed and the fraudulent selection process in Nigeria is a scam. And it is designed with divide and conquer strategy in order to keep the Fulani Janjaweed permanently in power. Financial Times confirms that P2B will be Nigeria's president come 2023. And these have unsettled the camp of the Fulani Janjaweed. It has unsettled them because it has destroyed all their plans for their selection process. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video. And bye-bye for now.